Authority local forecast.
All right, we got ourselves a very active wind day here in the desert southwest of tandem of advisories just in Imperial County. We'll get into that in just a little bit, but first and foremost, your RV World of Yuma sky cam. You see the wind. You definitely see the haze in the background there. As far as what we're looking at beyond at this particular vantage point, we start with a weather picture taken by Steve Lines. Very nice sunset picture. And of course, if you'd like to send yours, all you got to do is go to our weather photo gallery on our website, punch that QR code, upload your picture, and voila, we'll try to get it on the air as soon as possible. But the matter at hand, as far as the weather's concerned, plenty of inclement weather well to the north. We're talking about as far south as northern Arizona, but pretty much in Utah and Colorado. And of course, we got the clear skies, but don't be fooled. We also got the wind as well. You can see a number of advisories in play. We got a high wind warning to the west of us, not to mention the wind advisory over in Imperial County. We take a closer look at that. It's not just that, but we have a blowing dust advisory as well in the same area. And those advisories are slated to end at 7 and 9 p.m. respectively later this evening. But you can see the latest wind contingency. We definitely have wind blowing in the teens, if not the low 30s throughout the desert southwest. We got pretty close to 50-mile-per-hour gusts just in El Centro alone. Temperatures definitely affected. You can see that we barely even got to 70 degrees today, which again is something to wonder about a little bit because again we should be around the 75-degree mark. So temperatures have sunk a bit today because of a system that's rolling through, bringing in some cool air, and we're definitely feeling the effects also on the eastern side of the desert southwest. So those effects will continue because of this right here. We got another system working its way through the Pacific Northwest into northern Cali tonight, and as we get on into tomorrow, this system is going to get closer to us, and this is going to be our potential weather maker. This could actually bring some rain in addition to wind here in the desert southwest. And here's the future cast as far as what we're looking forward to in the coming days. That trough continues to stay entrenched, and with it, it's riding yet another system like we mentioned, which again could give us those elements. And of course, we got wind to contend with tonight, not to mention the fact that it'll continue to be contended with tomorrow, not to as much a degree as what we're seeing today, but we're still going to get it. And then we'll continue that for the coming days. 60 degrees by 7 p.m. tonight. We'll be in the mid-50s by midnight. But the bad news with all this, air quality not so good. Your air quality index presented by the Imperial County Air Pollution Control District. And you can see in many areas it's unhealthy to very unhealthy. So this is what wind can do in a negative light. And of course, for your extended forecast, we have a 40% chance of showers come Wednesday. So that rainmaker could make some by the time we get to Wednesday, maybe even as soon as Tuesday evening as well. So don't be surprised if that happens. And then by the end of the week, we should clear up. And as you know, we also gradually warm up as well.